Another tool from Olsa Tools. Today we're going to be reviewing the Fastener Removers 5-piece set. In this set you get one small U-notch tip, you get one large U-notch tip, you get a large V-notch tip and a small V-notch tip, as well as a square notch tip. So, opening the box here. They come packaged nicely in this box here with this awesome little tool organizer that fits right into your toolbox. They just sit right in here. You can see this is the square shaped. Let's go test them out on some fasteners. Alright, so we're going to show you how easy to use one of these. So I'm going to actually take off this clip right here. And for that I'm going to use the rounded. Alright, so we're going to use the small rounded clip remover. And we're going to go underneath this clip here. And there we go. Just like that. Clip right out. No breakage. Easy as that. And we can actually pull this panel out of the way, and I'm actually going to use the same tool to go underneath the carpet here and to help pull that out. And then we have another clip. It's right there. I'm going to use the same tool. There we go. There's the clip right there. Panel removed. So there you have it, guys. Olsa Tools 5-piece fastener removal set, available on olsatools.com.